Bună dimineața, good morning guys, and welcome to Alba Iulia, one of Romania's most beautiful towns. It has quite a lot of medieval and ancient history. The Romans were here during the last Dacian war, so when they took over they built a little town here in the center. Over 1,000 years later the Austrians came. So the Hapsburg dynasty, they built the Citadel surrounding this town, which still stands today. It's quite epic walking around it. So we're basically just going to walk around, explore it, not knowing too much about the place and kind of reading as we go along. And hopefully I'll be able to show you guys more of this beautiful little town. So we've got a depiction here of what this boulevard would have looked like during Roman times. And just behind us, we have some Roman ruins still standing. So Via Principalis was the road connecting the southern gate of the Roman fortress with the northern gate, directly opposite us down that main road. But this gate looks amazing. Let's get a closer look. Here we have one of the Roman gates, still standing in all of its glory. Just hearing this classroom full of kids and teachers speaking Romanian. It sounds a little Italian to me. But it is technically a Latin language, but it also has some Slavic influences. It's an interesting mix. Then outside the Citadel walls, we have what would have been just the rest of the village, or the outskirts, or the unprotected area during those ancient and medieval times. We have a epic obelisk right here. It's an angel. It's awesome. Some flowers there. Maybe some prayers or offerings or something. And then there's a bunch of money and trash. So we're walking around the Citadel now, and it's massive sprawls all around this town. There's a bit of a moat here with some fish, or what used to be a moat at least. And yeah, it just goes on and on, but it's really beautiful. Incredibly sturdy, like you can still see all this stuff still standing today. You can only imagine thousands of years ago, even hundreds of years ago, you know, when you had some invaders trying to lay siege to the town. But the defense would definitely have an advantage. I mean, you take a look at this. People trying to get up here, that's crazy. You can have an obvious tactical advantage fighting from higher ground.